Hi everyone, my name is Helen Balch and I'm here to pitch the potential to work on water quality solutions related to the issue of algal blooms. I'm at the University of Saskatchewan and my work centers on issues of water quality. Specifically, I'm really interested and engaged in looking at solutions to these issues related to eutrophication and cyanobacterial blooms. Let's start with eutrophication. Eutrophication is considered one of the most significant threats to water quality globally. It's a huge issue in many corners of the world, and it's associated with nutrient pollution. One of the reasons we worry about eutrophication is because it can lead to cyanobacterial blooms, also called blue-green algal blooms. And there are lots of reasons we don't want cyanobacterial blooms, but one of the greatest concerns with these blooms is that many cyanobacteria can produce toxins, and these toxins can have serious effects on human and animal health. Here we see a warning sign, one like many of you have likely seen, along with news stories showing just how widespread and severe blooms can be. As I mentioned, blooms can be toxic, but it's tricky. There are a lot of different cyanobacteria that may or may not produce a variety of toxins with different effects on health. They can be extremely variable in space and time, so we can't tell just by looking in a microscope if a cyanobacterial bloom will be toxic. The answer is a bit of a perplexing, it depends. We're left having to test and wait for results, and to be safe, we have to advocate a precautionary approach of staying away from and not using the water when blooms are occurring. And in bloom-prone surface waters used for drinking water, the circumstances are even harder and require robust testing and removal processes. So that leaves your challenge. We really need to both solve this issue of blooms, reducing their incidence, but also manage blooms. And we need better and faster ways to test for diverse toxins and remove toxins from treated waters. This is a global problem and a big problem in parts of Western Canada. So there's lots of room and opportunity for your solutions. Thanks for taking part in working on this important issue. I look forward to seeing your solutions.